Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my garden. This is February and here's how my garden looking. I'm going to show you what's blooming and what's not. Well, pretty much everything is blooming, you can see. This is my lupins. Look at how beautiful they are. Beautiful color. They bloom so well. Great plants. Look at the leaves. Here we have poppies. And look at the color. Poppies are amazing. Deep red. Here are some more. This is a bit different. And you can see how beautiful they are. Poppies are amazing. They just make your garden more beautiful. I love growing poppies. Just look at them. Amazing. These are some California poppies. They're beautiful. And look how my garden is looking right now. Here are the dahlias, and look at the purple color and the beautiful shape. Unfortunately, all my dahlias are purple this year. Everything is purple. 4 dahlias, purple dahlias. I wish I had more color, but anyways, they're blooming well. Here is a big one. Here it is, and this one has a little white in it, but still purple, but quite big size and lots of buds. Another purple. Even the hollyhocks are purple, you can see. I mean, too many purple. Thankfully, this one is not purple. Thank God. This one's gonna be yellow, and it's quite bushy. Here we have Sweet Alyssum. This is an amazing plant, beautiful scent, and it blooms a lot. I only have the white color. Here is Jarbera. This is a hybrid one, and this one is costly. It's 150 rupees. This is too much costly. I can't afford this. I'm losing all my money on plants. I'm getting poor. I need to stop. But anyways, I just thought I'm gonna try this one. Look at this. This is Snapdragon. Some purples. This is light. These are loved by bees and hummingbirds. Sunbirds. And here is the sunbird collecting nectar. Amazing. I just love watching these. And here we have a rose. This is a red rose. I bought it last year, and you can see so many buds. This one is growing quite well, and it has a really nice shape when it blooms. Star shape. And here we have another rose. It's called Fancy Talk. This one is amazing. This one is blooming continuously from November, I think. And it's always filled with flowers. The color is amazing, the plant is amazing, and the flowers are amazing. I just love this plant. Just look at this. This is the best plant, at least from the flowering aspect I have. This plant is heavy flowering plant. It never stops. I'm so happy with this one. And it looks amazing too. This is Rose Taj Mahal. Look at this beauty. Look at the size. Look at the shape. Look at the color, and it has great fragrance. This is a great plant and it's blooming really well. There's another one. This is Sadabahar. This one blooms a lot. And look at here, impatiens. Oh, a pansy, yellow pansy. Look at the impatiens. Beautiful, beautiful impatiens. Look, they bloom so well. We have a guest, Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty sometimes comes to visit my garden. Here I have phlox. I love phlox. They look beautiful and they also have fragrance. Here's my stalk. So stalks are growing a bit late this year. I have one here and there. And here I have Mallow or Malva, Malva sylvestris. And these are also beautiful and easy to grow flowers. If you haven't grown them, you should definitely grow them. They flower a lot. This is straw flower. Look. These are like plastic flowers and they last very long. I have 4 plants in a 12-inch pot. Look at them. Here's some dianthus. Here's my strawberry plant. It's flowering and I have some fruit. Here I have some pansies. Everything is very crowded this year. I planted a lot of plants. Here we have, I forgot, celosia. A cosmos, marigold. And here's my sweet pea. It's not flowering yet, but it's very bushy. Look. Here's my gazania. Look at them. Blooming so well. Very good plants. Here is a sunbird. Look at this little bird. They love to collect nectars from salvias, and this is why I planted salvias this year, because I wanted these birds to come. So these were some of the plants that are blooming in my garden. The weather is getting really bad. It's very hot. Suddenly it's very hot. I might make a rose video. Let me know in the comments which plants you like the most in my garden. I hope you're having a great garden too. I will come with more updates. Till then, happy gardening. See you next time. Bye.